Have you heard the latest buzz in the tech world? It's rumored that Samsung is gearing up to launch its next generation foldable phones, and they're planning to make some serious upgrades in various areas, including the all-important hinge mechanism. Imagine a hinge that's smooth, seamless, and incredibly responsive. That's what the Droplet is said to offer. With this revolutionary new design, the foldable phone will be more durable than ever before, ensuring that you get the most out of your device for years to come. Today, we'll take a closer look at some of the rumors and speculations surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be the slimmest model yet. According to previous reports, the company is willing to spend a considerable amount of money on developing a new hinge mechanism that will allow the Z Fold 5 to close perfectly flat. This rumor has also been confirmed by Ice Universe on the Chinese social media network Weibo. This means that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will indeed feature this innovative droplet hinge mechanism, giving users a seamless and immersive viewing experience. The same source also revealed that the Z Fold 5's thickness, when folded shut, will be around 13 millimeters, which is thinner than the current Galaxy Z Fold 4 that measures approximately 15.8 millimeters near the hinge. So, the new model will not only look sleeker, but also be more comfortable to hold and carry around. Teardrop hinge and Ipx8. Samsung is expected to use the teardrop hinge design for its next Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 devices. Similar designs have already been adopted by others, like Xiaomi and Huawei, for their foldable phones. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 prototype with a teardrop hinge was sighted at CES 2023 last month. This prototype was noticeably thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which has a U-shaped hinge and seemed to be almost half as thick. Probably for this reason, Samsung chose not to include the S Pen slot on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. If this rumor is true, it is clear that the company's priority is to make their foldable phones smaller by 2023 in order to make them more practical and suitable for daily use. As if this wasn't enough, it is said that the forthcoming foldables would be waterproof with an IPX8 grade as opposed to the existing IPX7 rating. A gadget with an IPX7 rating can continue to function normally after being immersed in fresh water for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1 meter. To put these numbers in perspective, the IPX8 rating is based on testing scenarios where the gadget is immersed for up to 30 minutes in fresh water up to a depth of 3 meters. As time goes by, anticipation is building for the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Let us know what you think. Will Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 have this newest and latest design and technology? Tell us in the comment section. Samsung panels will be used in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 and will manufacture in India. Earlier, there were rumors that Samsung may begin purchasing flexible panels from China's BOE, which also provides other manufacturers with foldable panels. However, with Samsung's portfolio, that doesn't appear to be happening just yet. Instead, Samsung will be making them itself. Ross Young of the DSCC has also emphasized that Samsung will produce the foldable display panels for the new gadgets and will move the manufacturing to India. Of course, as the information has not been formally validated, it is necessary to treat these rumors with caution. We'll have to wait for more credible sources to reveal the true specifications of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 look to be highly anticipated devices that might push the limits of smartphone design and performance even further. So, we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us. Samsung is most likely to make the Galaxy Z Fold 5 announcement in August-September of 2023. Till then, make sure to stay updated by subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss all of our latest news and information.